Hello and welcome to this video. And today we will go through an important topic these days, and that is what to do in a falling market. A lot of people have lost a lot of their capital in these falling markets from the past 3-4 months, and how long the situation is going to continue, it is not sure to anyone. So in this video I will tell you what exactly you can do in this kind of market situation. Alright, so without wasting any time, let us quickly jump to the content which I have prepared for you.
Hi, I'm Harshit Mohan. I am a stock market investor and trader by passion. I am father of a lovely daughter, husband of a loving wife, and I'm also the founder of Peaceful Wealth Community.
So first step that you need to do if you are an investor or if you have some holdings in your demat account, clean your portfolio, which means get rid of low conviction companies in which you don't have confidence, companies in which you invested because of some tip, right? Or because of some news in which you have not done any homework. So get rid of those kind of companies as early as possible. That is number one. Number two, have only rock solid, consistent, good quality companies in your portfolio in which you have absolute faith, absolute confidence. That's all. And in fact, this is the time to add on to your positions, but only in those positions in which you have absolute confidence and faith. So that is number one, clean your portfolio. Number two, you should be prepared with some cash, because the ideal time to invest is when there is a bear market, when the markets are falling. But then how far market will fall or where is the bottom, nobody can find it out. You can start investing in your good quality companies in a staggered manner. Staggered manner means don't deploy all your capital at once, because if you invest now, maybe a month later the market will come down even further, right? So then you will be in some losses and you will have regrets that why did I invest now? I should have waited for some time, right? So instead of investing all your capital in one go, it is always advised that you invest your capital in a staggered manner. So maybe you can invest 20% of your capital right now, 20% when there is another drop, like that. But for that, it is important that you should have some cash ready with you. Okay. Now you need to also have a system which will tell you when to invest again, because when the markets are falling, how long it will fall, nobody can tell you. And when markets will reverse and resume its bull journey, that also nobody can tell you. But then if you have a system means some kind of a indicator setup or some kind of a news or something which can give you a clear cut indication that okay, now the markets have started resuming their onwards bull market journey. So now I should be putting up my capital in the market. So if you have a system like this, then it will become very easy for you to stay away from the fear, stay away from the noise, and be absolutely clear on when to deploy your capital in full. Alright. So follow a system. For that you need to learn some tools and some methods, right? So I follow a system called DMA, dual moving average, which gives me very good signals on when to invest and when to exit. Maybe I can create a video on that some other day. Next point is you need to learn options, because in a falling market, simply cash equity market will not give you money. If you are simply doing if you are doing only cash trading or cash investments, that will not give you money. But if you learn options, you can make money even in a sideways market, even in a falling market. So options give you the power to make money in all kinds of situations, right? So first of all, learn options. And when you learn options and when you are a little bit aware of the options, don't do naked options. Naked options means don't implement strategies which are risk undefined. Always implement strategies which are risk defined. If you go with risk undefined strategies, you face the risk of losing your entire capital. That is why people say FNO is risky, because they do naked options. They don't manage their risk. So as I told you, implement hedge based strategies with proper risk and capital management. Hedge basically means that you are managing your trade. In case the trade goes against you, you will have limited loss, right? So implement those kind of strategies only. And last but not the least, when the markets are falling, there will be panic everywhere. Everyone will be shouting at the top of their voice on social media, people will be crying, and a lot of things will go on. It will be like a complete fish market. So stay away from such kind of fish market, stay away from the noise, and for that what you can do, focus on the other things in life which are more important. And what are some of those other things? Let me tell you. So you can focus on increasing your income. Investments alone cannot create wealth for you, right? So you also need to focus on how you can increase your income. So focus on how you can increase it, right? Secure some other sources of income, secure some passive way of income, right? And when you put your energy on those things, you will not worry a lot about what is happening in the market, because you will create another source of funds for you. And number two, not just having increase in income is sufficient. If your income is increased, that's very good. But if you are not able to save in the same proportion, then it is of very little use to you. If you increase your income 2 times, but you are not able to increase your savings 2 times, so it makes no sense, right? So apart from increasing your income, also put your focus on increasing your savings. And when you start putting your focus on these two things, increasing your income, increasing your savings, you will see automatically that you are also getting results in your investments also. I mean, the stock market has also started giving you some returns. You will realize that. Because if you are completely involved in the stock market day and night, you are completely thinking about that only, then it will be extremely difficult for you to make money. Let me tell you. So you need to take your mind off from the stock market, think about the other things, maybe create a business, maybe create some other sources of income, increase your savings, and in that process you will also see that your investment is also doing good and your trading is also going good in the stock market. So that's all friends. In this video I wanted to tell you this particular topic, what to do in a falling market. I hope this video gave you a lot of insights on what you can do now, what should be your course of action now. And now it's time for you to simply implement these strategies, implement this blueprint and get results for yourself even in this bear market. So thanks for watching, stay connected and have a safe day.